Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So, what I want to show you is in your account what you want to do for you to take payments, with what's it called? To take payments physically on delivery without having to use a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal, but still take their details. What you need to do is just add a new element. Oops, no. Okay, add new element and just you put ship in here and then add another element and then say button, then boom. So this will take their full address, city name, country, and so on and so forth. If you want to have more details, of course, you can add another input. Right, so full name, full name, this one, email address. Alright, this is always required. So now, yeah, they can take their full name, their email address, and the address, the city name, state, zip code, and the country, and then this button should always be on this. In this case, should be put to submit order or submit form, and voila, you can be able to take all their details, this, and get a button that will save those details for you. Because you cannot, if you're not using a payment gateway, you cannot take their credit card information. So that's not allowed, from what I know. So you cannot like save their credit card information, but you can, you can use this and take all the details, and that's safe as well. So yeah, let me know if that answers your question. Bye for now.